Yeah. Watch it, tires, far right. He's up against the net. Go, push. You good? Oh, yeah, angry.
Oh, I'm. All right, then you guys.
When you come in here, say really coming in. That's all one. Or say something like this. I know. They put the in the pit. Yeah. Where can you kill
Trouble with shit! Use it just in case. Airsoft dead, get him in!
I'm not going in. I'll get this check. Yeah.
As soon as they come in the morning.
Guys, been on for 2 minutes, 30 seconds. We're halfway to.
Left side of the bridge.
He's not over here. I got him from over here. Whoa!
Dead man walking.
I got lit up.
He's in the field house. Right side. Can you see him? Talk to me! Come on, baby. Stick your head out one more time. Come on.
Gotcha.
Oh. Did I not get you?
No.
Why not shoot? Coming out.
No, your one gun jabbed, the other one bounced off the left here.
Hey, what is that? Yep.
Minutes 45, 1 minute 15 to go.
Hey!
5 minutes to go in there, buddy. Stay alive. 1 minute. asking out. Oh, really?
Ricochets count, dude.
Gotcha.
Okay, by Ricochet.
You got me too.
Bomb is distracted!
Game is still on.
Bring it out, bring it out!
Fighting. Don't let me bomb
Go,
out.
go.
Doesn't matter. Let's game! Hit! Hit! How was the game, guys?
It was good.
It was great? Did you get any kills?
I had fun.
Oh shit, tech work. Tech work on the TJ.
Dude, it was epic. Saw a win.
Woo! Yeah.
Fucking shooting me in the spawn.
Did anybody find a black
As soon as you got out, like, fuck! Yeah.
How you do, man? Good?
Yeah, good, dude.
I got a little bit of footage of you too.
Yeah, man.
What gun is that? What gun?
This is the AK-74M.
And who makes it? Echo 1?
D-Boys or Red Star.
D-Boys?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
It's completely fine. No worries.
Yeah, I was counting on
okay,
ricochets,
Dingo.
but I can't see it. You know what I mean?
It's hard to count them ricochets.
Yeah, it really is.
You can stop holding them now.
We were dead anyway.
Hey, you don't give a fuck. Did you have fun, dude? Did
You got
you have fun, man? Yeah.
Let's see, I had this thing full. That's about...
That's his gun? What's he got done with it, you know?
I have no idea.
No idea? Hey, dude. Hey, dude.
Hey.
Dude. What do you have done to your gun?
Oh, I have an upgraded high torque Echo 1 motor,
All right.
Diamond Tactical 1x40 red dot,
Nice, nice.
bipod grip, suppressor, made cast mag pull, and
Who makes the suppressor?
I honestly don't know. I got it here from the internet.
The internet. eBay. We call that eBay. Oh, shit.